Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you why you should come work at the JTC. We're not just any other service. We promise that your hard work will not go unnoticed. I'm going to do this as quick as I can. We got a hiring interview. I wanted to show you a little bit about how our service works and how we see you at the company. Okay, so we have technology that can show us how many applications are coming in here. We call the interview based upon your requirements. If you send us a picture of your tools, if you see that you've been working somewhere and you have a relative work history, and if you have some, let's call it grit. If you have the grit to stick around and come to work every day, I'm talking 40 hours a week, you come to work here, you're going to make a lot of money, and you won't need a degree. There's no night school, there is no catch. Benefits, raises twice a year, health, dental, the whole 9 yards. Okay, let me show you something. We're going to call the interview. So if you're seeing this, you're seeing on the application. Why did you fill out the application? Because we're going to go through the list and find out people who have goals. Okay? Then we're going to call you to the interview. Follow me. And we're going to make sure that when you become an employee, your hard work does never go unnoticed. Trainings, recognitions, hard work honors. You ever work 70 hours in a week? What did you get? Bigger tax bracket? I bet you did. You know what you get here? Sticker for your hard hat. Recognition of character awards. Dependability. What does that mean? Now, I don't care that you haven't had any experience or you have 1 year experience, maybe residential. You come to commercial carpentry, we're going to recognize you. We're going to give you the respect and need. We're going to get you up to the top of the ladder at fastest point possible. Let me get my plans here. If you get to the interview process, you're going to come see me. Let me tell you, it's important to know not everybody that comes here will get accepted. If you have goals, if you have grit, if you have personality to make it and come to work every day, you're going to get called to interview.